gonna do the overhand and the underhand, because the overhand Poilates, which is this one, is for the anti-spin, and the underhand is for the in-spin. So the correct form when you're doing this is your feet should be shoulder width apart. You want your earlobes over your shoulders, so you don't want to be doing the turtling that our cell phones are making us do in society. And then you want your shoulders over your hips over your heels. You want your knees to be soft, and then you want your pelvis tucked while you're doing this. And then if you have ever done Pilates, then you know about the powerhouse. You're imagining these two hip bones here are smiling, and you're pulling in to make a smile here. And then let's start with, we'll go the underhand first, and then we'll go the overhand. We'll do 20 reps of each. Put your left arm up, your right arm down, and imagine, if you can, that you're pulling an invisible string through your fingertips, down through your center to the other arm, and you're keeping a straight line between them. And you want to make sure you don't soften your belly like this, and you keep yourself really nice and tight. And here we go. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Now, as you're doing this, make sure you open your shoulder to the back, and you allow these shoulders, the arms to come out to the side, so that when you're at these side positions, whichever hip is back, your palms are pointing to that side. So when your left hip is back, your palms are pointing left. When your right hip's back, your palms are pointing right. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're going to reverse, go forward. Same thing with the palms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looking forward. 12. Breathing. Smiling. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.